how you can remove draft messages in Messenger. Now, let me show you guys first what the draft messages look like. So, first open up a Messenger, and right there you can see on the first conversation there is a message called draft. Now, how it works is after you tap on it, this is already in your chat box. It's already typed in, but if you've just typed in some messages and have not sent it and just go back to your home screen, that message will just stay in your Messenger chat as draft. Now you can remove that by just going on in your chat and just removing this. So after you remove this, just go back, you will see right there again there is no draft messages now. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you remove draft messages in Messenger. That was really simple, guys, and if you like the video, just hit the like button down below, and if you are new to our channel, head down below and again press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos after you subscribe. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the video. Thank you for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.